Hello, welcome back to my channel Chal Chakra. Hope you are doing great. In this video, I'm going to share predictions on the basis of the Lagna and the moon sign. So what is going to happen with the Cancer moon sign and the Lagna people when the Saturn is going to transit into the Pisces, how it is going to impact you career-wise, finances-wise, relationship-wise, marriage-wise and health-wise. Along with that, I will be going to share you the remedies also that you should do to overcome the negative effect of this particular transit. So this particular transit, the prediction is based on your moon sign and the Lagna, and this particular prediction will be applicable for you from 29th of March till June 2027. So for 2.5 years, Saturn is going to sit into the Pisces. If you have subscribed my channel, thank you so much. If you're new to my channel and you haven't subscribed yet, subscribe it so that you are getting the daily notifications from us on the videos that we post. So for the Cancer Lagna people, for you, the Saturn is going to sit in your ninth house. The Saturn planet is going to sit in your ninth house for 2.5 years. So career-wise, this will be a great time because for you, Saturn is ruling your 7th as well as 8th house. Now it is sitting in the ninth house, which makes the Raj Yoga. So finances wise, this is a good time because your Kendra Lord is sitting in Trikon. This makes the Raj Yoga. So this is a good time finances wise. You're going to see financial success during this time. Your luck will be enhanced. But this will be not so great time relationship wise, especially relationship with your bosses as well as relationship with your father will be impacted. Shani is going to sit in your ninth house, being ninth house which is connected to the luck, religious, your higher study. So when Shani sits in the ninth house, this will be good time luck wise, but Shani is going to sit in the Pisces. Saturn is connected to the hard work. Saturn is connected to get success with the hard work, but Jupiter is a planet which is connected to the luck. So now Saturn is going to sit for you in the ninth house. You have to do lot of hard work. You can't rely on your luck during this time. But when Saturn sits in the ninth house, if you do more hard work, if you are going to take the actions, then for sure your hard work will be going to pay off. So this is a good time. During this time, it has been noticed for the Cancer Lagna people, they are going to become more religious. They may visit more religious place. They may start chanting mantra. They may start believing universe more during this time. If you are looking for the higher studies, then also this is a good time. You can go ahead with the help of the Saturn. If you are going to take actions against it, you are going to put more hard work, then you can your higher studies will be successfully done during this time. This is a time where you need to work a lot on yourself. You need to, because it has been noticed when Saturn sit in the ninth house, then people have a ego problem or the ego clashes in the relationship. So ego wise, you need to be little bit conscious during this time. And it has been noticed when Saturn sit in the ninth house, then the person become very practical, and sometimes that the person language communication become very cold. This part also you need to take care of, because when Saturn sits in the ninth house, it directly aspect your third house, which is a house of communication. So you need to be conscious, because during this time you are going to notice sudden unexpected profits and sudden gains, losses as well. This is a time where you are going to get sudden benefits also, like suddenly your business will boom and suddenly something unexpected will happen in your career or in your business or finances wise, where you may face the financial losses. This is a time where you are going to become more passionate about the work. You are going to take actions, and these actions and the hard work will be going to pay off during placement of the Shani. But if the antardasha or the dasha in your birth chart right now which is going on, if it is supportive to you, then you will notice lot of career growth during this time. It has been noticed that ninth house Shani provoke you to learn about occult science too. Maybe you will be started inclined towards, or you will be seeing your interest towards study towards a Vastu Shastra. You will start learning about the religious book, as well as you will be seeing that you will be more interested in subject like astrology also during this time. This is a great time to add on a new knowledge and wisdom, and you will notice whatever the knowledge and wisdom you are going to add on during this time, this will be started paying off in the later stage. So ninth house Saturn is a this particular placement can make you sometime lazy, unorganized, but I would suggest as much as you will be organized during this time, you will be in discipline, like you started waking up early in the morning, and you will be started doing things on time, then you will started seeing that Saturn will started giving you the positive result. But if you are not so organized during this time, or you are not working in discipline in your life, or you are not working with the integrity, then the placement of this Saturn is going to give you lot of negative effect. So this is actually a very logical remedy of Saturn. When Saturn sit in the ninth house or transit through the ninth house, you have to make sure that you're more organized, you're in discipline, you have to work with the integrity, help others to grow. In this way, you will see that your luck will started enhancing, and you will start observing your quality of life will also problem improve. Of the Cancer people is that they don't have a tendency of saying no to someone, and they always like people pleasing. But during this dasha, you will notice that you will start prioritizing yourself. This is a great time for self introspection. You are going to prioritize your own self, you are going to focus on your passion, and you will be started taking actions towards it. This is a time where you may feel like isolated, alone, but I take this positively, because this particular transit of Saturn is going to teach you how important is to be isolated and lonely. Because when you're isolated, lonely, that is a time where you started focusing on your own self introspection, self realization. But this will not be so great time, because you may realize or you may feel guilt about the mistakes that you have done. If you're looking to conceive a child, then with the blessings of the Shani and with the blessings of the universe, you will be able to conceive the child during this time. If you're looking for a change of a job, this is a great time to change the job. Take actions, put the hard work. There is a very high possibility you will be able to change your job successfully. As Saturn is going to aspect in their friendly zodiac sign, like Saturn is going to aspect on the Taurus, Virgo, and Sagittarius. So you are going to notice that this is a time where you will be going to see that you are going to have a multiple sources of income wise. Your income is going to increase during this time. You have to just take actions. There is a very high possibility of a change of a place, and the change of a job is also there, and this particular change of a place will be beneficial for you. But you need to be conscious. You may notice that you are getting the problem in your life far away from your birthplace. That part you need to be conscious. This is a time, there is a very high possibility that you will be started earning away from your birthplace, or if you're looking to settle down in any foreign countries, then also this is a great time. There is a high possibility you will be able to get your job, or you may settle down in the foreign country. Success during in the speculative market. If you are a single and you are looking to get married, then there is a very high possibility in this 2.5 years you can get married. This is a time where you are going to see a success in the career growth. For sure, you are going to see a growth in your career. But if the dasha and the antardasha in your personal birth chart is going good, if the dasha or if the mahadasha or the antardasha is not going in your birth chart, in that case you may face the setbacks in your career. Otherwise, if it is supportive, then you are going to see that business wise you are going to grow. There is a high possibility you may start a new business, and you are going to see a success in the business during this will time. Not be so great time relationship wise, as well as you will notice that you may stuck in the office politics, or the environment in the office will not be so great during this time. This is a time, if you are into a business, then you may face a problem from your employees side, especially from the manpower. This will not be so great time. Health wise also you need to be a little bit conscious, especially related to the thyroid, digestive issues, constipation problem, skin disorders, or any type of minor surgery also during this time. So you need to be conscious health wise. If you are facing ups and downs in your health, try to contact to the doctors and make sure you are doing the remedies that I'm going to share at the end of this particular. Will not be so great time, because of your communication or misunderstanding, you're going to face a problem in the love relationship. If you are in a toxic relationship in the marriage, or as it is in the love relationship, then there is a very high possibility of the breakup. You will move on in your life easily during this time. If you are in a toxic relationship, or you're already married and you're facing a lot of setbacks and the problems in the marriage, there is a very high possibility you are going to move on for the divorce during this time. To overcome the challenges, what you need to do is that make sure that you are chanting Hanuman Chalisa daily 3 times without miss. If possible, then try to offer Tulsi to Lord Hanuman daily, and you should chant Radhe Radhe daily for 24 minutes. You have to close your eyes and keep on chanting Radhe 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 Radhe. This will help you out to remove your karmic blockages, because Saturn is the planet which give you the results as per your karma, what you have done in the past life and what you have done in this particular life. On the basis of that only you get the result. So Saturn dasha or any type of transit of Saturn take place, the purpose is to balance your karma, to give you the results as per your karma. So if you keep on chanting Radhe Radhe during this time, this will be going to help you out to overcome the karmic blockages of your life, and you are going to see that you are going to get a lot of benefits from Saturn, because Saturn is a planet which is ruling your career, money, health, and overall success in your life. But always remember, Saturn is a planet which can give you the results on the basis of your hard work. Saturn doesn't perform like other planets like Jupiter or Rahu, which gives you the sudden wealth or sudden gains in your life. Saturn give you the success in your life with lot of hard work, patience, discipline, and when you're organized and you're working with the integrity.